आई क्लोज करो, आई क्लोज करो बेबी। सीधे बैठो अच्छे से, अच्छे पोजीशन में। हाँ, मुंह नहीं टेढ़ा करो। क्यों आप अपना होठ खाते रहते हो? चलो, मुंह टेढ़ा, मुंह से हाथ, अरे मुंह से हाथ दूर रखो बेटा, आप हमेशा मुंह में क्यों हाथ लगाते हो? बेटा, मैम क्या बोल रही है, सुनो उसे। मैम बोल रही है कि इनहेल करो, एक्सहेल करो ना भैया। चलो चलो, देखो मैम कैसे बोल रही है आपको करने के लिए। सांस को ऊपर खींचो, नीचे गिराओ, फिर ऊपर खींचो, फिर नीचे गिराओ। हाथ जोड़ के ऐसे बैठो जैसे मैम बैठी हैं। आँख खोल के देखो, हमेशा आपका होठ पे रहता है हाथ, इसे मुंह से दूर रखो। देखो मैम को, देखो मैम कैसे बैठी है। ऐसे यहाँ से हटाओ, एकदम पीछे सीधा करो, ऐसे हो जाओ। ऐसे, ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे। हाँ, सीधा हाथ करो, सांस खींचना बंद करो, सीधे से रहो अच्छे से। लेकिन पिट्ठी, सुनो बेटा, इधर देखो मम्मा तरफ देखो, ऐसे नहीं रहना, हमें ऐसे रहना। हाँ, ये है सही पोर्शन। देखो मैम ऐसे ही है ना, फिर पिट्ठी सीधा करो। हाँ, सीधे बैठते हैं। देखो कितने सारे बच्चे सब कर रहे हैं मैम की तरह। चलो आप करो, देखो सारे बच्चे, देखो देखो कितने अच्छे से बैठी है वो, देख रहे हो? ऑल आर सिटिंग इन द सेम पोजीशन। कम ऑन, ऐसे पिट्ठी सीधा करो। ये हाँ करना है, हमें करना है। कम ऑन, इनहेल एक्सहेल, सांस को ऊपर खींचो, नीचे छोड़ो, ऊपर खींचो, नीचे छोड़ो। धीरे 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 धीरे, कोई प्रेशर नहीं है। एक बेटा, नो, कम ऑन। हाँ, सीधे बैठो एकदम सीधे, नो हिलना डुलना नहीं है। कम ऑन, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। So today is the Saturday activity we are doing with our children and we are trying to give them a yoga कि कैसे योगा करना है with his teacher। उनकी टीचर्स भी है साथ में ऑनलाइन, तो हम उनके साथ करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। हाँ, ऐसे नो मस्ती। देखो मैम कैसे कर रही है, सीधे बैठो। कम ऑन, इससे सीधा करो। देखो चिड़िया की आवाज आ रही, कितनी अच्छी। हाँ, चलो कम ऑन, चलो चलो चलो। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नमः। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नमः। मुंह में से हाथ निकालो, सीधा बैठो।
Please scrub your hands.
Scrub your hand. Come on.
Keep your eyes closed.
Keep
Rub your hands
closed.
fast with each other so that your hands becomes warm. Keep rubbing your palms until and unless your palms are warmer. Okay?
जब तक हाथ गर्म नहीं होता तब तक रब करते रहो। मैम क्या बोल रही हैं? Rub your hand
Open your
until
eyes.
and unless your
Let's
palm
scrub our
is.
hands.
Scrub your hands. Come on, scrub, scrub.
Once you feel the warmth, place your palms on your face. Cover your eyes.
Now,
And now, slowly
you
we'll open our eyes.
can slowly open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
Slowly open your eyes and breathe. So how are you feeling now? Are you feeling calm, composed? relaxed?
अच्छा लग रहा है आपको?
Yes or no?
मैम
Show me a
पूछिए।
thumbs up. You can simply show a thumbs up like this on the screen.
वेरी गुड।
Perfect. So meditation is a perfect way to start our day
रुको,
with peace and positivity.
मैम क्या
Right?
बोल रही है?
It
मैम कर
gives
रही है
us
ऐसे ही?
stability, and you know why we were chanting Om during meditation, because Om is a very
देखो
powerful
मैम क्या
word.
बोल रही है?
It's a
So we
vibration
are
that
doing this
connects us
yoga.
with the universe.
Yeah.
Right? So when we chant or when we are humming Om, we can feel that vibration inside our ears and in all our body. Right? That's why Om is a very powerful word
क्या
which
बोलना है?
connects
ओम
us
क्या बोलना है?
with the universe.
हाँ,
Alright,
देखो कैसे
so
बोलना
let's
है
get started. We'll be doing sitting poses today.
सिटिंग
Okay,
पोज।
and
कम ऑन, so many
yoga
people are
is a
watching
very
you.
great way to keep yourself fit and healthy. Right? So how many of you do yoga every day? Can you show me a thumbs up?
Show me your thumbs up.
Perfect. So yoga is a very good way to start our day, and we should always do it in an open environment, in outdoors if possible, and we should try to do it in the morning, and we can do it in the evening as well. Right? What we need to take care is we don't have to eat anything before 30 minutes of performing yoga. Alright? So any workout or any exercise or any physical movement that we are doing, we should always avoid eating 30 minutes before
मतलब योगा करने से
performing
30
it.
मिनट पहले
Okay,
हमें
so
कुछ
let's
नहीं
get
खाना है। योगा
started.
करने के
Now
30
we
मिनट बाद हमें
are
कुछ नहीं खाना है। ओके?
going to perform our first yoga asana or the yoga pose, which is the
Why you are doing
butterfly
this, baby?
pose.
Don't do this.
Okay, so when we talk about yoga, yoga connects us with the nature, with the
Hey.
real environment, with
देखो वहाँ देखो,
everything
the
around
15
us.
people are watching
So
you.
let us
What you
perform the
need to do
butterfly
is
pose,
बैठना है
in
योगा
which
के
we need
पोजीशन
to
में।
join our feet.
देखो मैम क्या बोल रहे हैं? Join your feet. मैम को क्या करने के लिए बोल रही है मैम? Join your feet. Come on, show me your feet.
Like this. Okay.
It's join.
Lock your fingers like
Lock your
this
fingers.
and lock your feet with your hands. Okay. Now what you have to do
Lock
is
your
have
fingers.
to
Lock your finger. Come on.
pull your
इसमें
feet
घुसाओ।
closer to
हाथ
your
में घुसाओ।
body as much as
Lock
you
your
can.
finger.
Okay.
अब
Don't
इसे
trouble
क्या
your
करना है?
body. Just body.
ऐसे करना है,
If it's
फंसाना है।
not comfortable to you, lift it up to the level which is comfortable to you. Now what we have to do, we need to lift our knees up and then down. Up and then down together
एक
like a
up and
butterfly
down.
flaps
एक
its
up
wings.
and down.
Okay?
पकड़ो दोनों हाथ
So
से
let's get started.
पकड़ो। Up and down. हाँ जैसे आप कर रहे थे। ये this is the way. Well done. Well done. हाँ हाँ ऐसे ही। Yes.
Yes, very good.
Very good. Very
Doing
good.
exercise or performing yoga or any physical workout does not mean that we have to be rigid to ourselves. Okay? As a beginner, we should always listen to our body and do it in a comfortable and a
देखो
constant
मैम कर रही है ना। You
Okay?
need to also do the same with your ma'am. Come
Slowly
on.
and gradually, you can
Try to
increase your
speak with your
speed.
children in English so they can also speak in
So
English.
now we
Even
all
they can
are
understand what you are
butterflies,
saying.
right?
Okay, so always try to speak
So
in
the main
English with
essence
your
of yoga
children.
is to control your breath.
Okay, come on.
While doing
Do
any
it.
pose, any yoga asana, you need
कर
to
पाओगे।
control your breath.
Just
You
try
need to
again.
inhale and you need to
You can
exhale
do it. You can do it, my baby. You can do
simultaneously.
it.
Okay,
Come
so
on,
let's
try.
start
Try.
breathing along with our butterfly pose.
देखो, this is the butterfly
Breathe
pose.
in.
What is it? This is butterfly pose. What is it?
Breathe out.
Butterfly pose. Yes.
Breathe in.
Breathing. Come on,
Breathe
take your
out.
breath up and leave your breath. मतलब ऊपर लेना है फिर छोड़ना है. Okay? And what you need to do is move
So
your
if
feet.
you are a beginner, you should do it for 1 minute. Then slowly, gradually, you should increase the time limit to 1.5 minutes, then 2 minutes to 3 minutes,
Come on.
and so
You can
on
do it.
as per your body. Okay?
Yes.
So alright, let's take a break.
Take
Relax.
a breath.
Release
Sit
the
down.
position. If you want, you can stretch your legs to forward like this and relax. Or if you want, you can cross your legs, whichever is comfortable to you.
हाँ,
Okay?
जैसे आपका मैम बोल रही है मैम जैसे आपको कंफर्टेबल लगा यू कैन डू दैट.
So yoga is a very natural and ancient way
यस
of staying healthy and fit, right?
आपके रात में पैर में दर्द होता है ना, इसलिए मैम ने ये सब करवाया
So
ताकि
now
आपके पैर में दर्द ना हो।
let us move to the next pose for the day, which
Next
is
और क्या,
the
मैम को सब पता
cat
होता
pose.
है।
Are you all ready for it?
आर यू रेडी?
So let us turn aside. Okay. We need to fold our feet, fold our legs. Okay. And then
देखो मैम कैसे करिए, कम ऑन डू इट,
place your hands in front of your.
करो करो, देखो मैम कैसे
Keep your
कर रही
hands in front, and it should be at the
है। और
shoulder
पीछे हो
level.
जाओ,
Okay.
देखिए मैम को, हाँ
Just like this.
लाइक दिस।
Like
ओके,
this.
फिर क्या करना है, अभी मैम जैसे करेंगी वैसे करना, ओके? हाँ